Hey guys, learn how to create a legally binding living will with LegalZoom in just a few easy steps. This guide shows you how to protect your family's future and ensure that your wishes are honored without the legal confusion. So, planning for unexpected isn't easy, but creating a living will can give your loved ones peace of mind when it matters most. In this video, we'll walk you through how LegalZoom helps you set one up step by step and how to make sure it holds up legally in your estate. So a living will lets you decide what medical treatments you want or don't want. And if you're ever unable to speak for yourself, unlike a last will, this focuses on health decisions, not your property. LegalZoom helps you outline all of that clearly and legally. So head over to LegalZoom and select Living Will under their estate planning section, and you'll be asked for your estate first since requirements can vary. From there, the site guides you through a questionnaire, no legal jargon, just plain English. You will choose what treatments you would want in life-threatening situations like resuscitation or life support and name someone to make decisions if you can't. LegalZoom explains each option with helpful examples so you're not left guessing. Once your choices are entered, LegalZoom prepares the living will based on your estate legal standards. Some estate requires witnesses or notarization, and LegalZoom tells you exactly what steps to follow to make it official. After downloading or receiving the document by mail, store it somewhere safe and accessible because LegalZoom recommends giving copies to your healthcare agent, doctor, and close family. It's all about making sure that the right people know your wishes. With LegalZoom, you don't need to hire a lawyer or decode legal terms. Just answer a few guided questions and your living will is done. It's a smart and simple way to protect your family from confusion during a crisis. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.